vCook is a MR application for the single living women during cooking and dining experience. Go to the homepage to discover the delicious recipes recommended for you and customize your personal AI dining partner. You can also invite your real-life friends to join vCook. The first time you use vCook, you will need to scan your home environment and kitchen and dining appliances. Connect your smart cooker to vCook Bluetooth and scan it for details so that it can be better identified in vCook. Provide you with a customized cooking and dining service. Recognize your home environment with vCook, and it will revolutionize your dining and cooking experience. Give you amazing variation environment scene and immersive and enjoyable experience. Once you have identified your appliances and environment, you can view your utensils and background in My Spaces screen and continue to add more spaces. Now, let's start to experience your magic kitchen and dining space with just one click. With vCook, you can cook in a pink fairytale planet, in a magical yellow desert, in a cyberpunk city, even in the starry night of Van Gogh. All these can be achieved with a magic click in your own house. Fantasy is no longer far away, is in your home. Now, let's start to enjoy your cooking journey. Choose a recommended recipe you love. Click AI Guidance. Your AI friend will start to accompany you side by side.
Hi, Lily. Long time no see. Happy to see you. Let's make turkey and fries today. Well, what a beautiful desert landscape. I like your taste, Lily. Look at these ingredients. I'm sure you'll love this dish. I can't wait to get started right now. Chop the following ingredients. Be careful not to cut your hands. Lily, your friend Charlotte is also on vCook. Do you want to connect with her?
Sure, I want. She is my best friend.
Fine. Please wait for a while.
Hi, Charlotte. I'm going to show you my brilliant cooking skills today, haha.
Enjoy your cooking time face-to-face with your friend in vCook. In vCook, your kitchen utensils also become friends to accompany you.
Lily, let's prepare ingredients together. Your new apron looks great. I hope the vegetable juice will not spill on it. These carrots look so great. Love it.
In vCook, you can command your smart kitchen appliances through your AI friend.
It's time to fry the chicken. Take care to control the fire at medium heat.
Kimi, please help me turn on the rice cooker in fast cooking mode.
Okay, got it. Fast cooking mode is on. Please wait 15 minutes for your rice.
Well, what a happy cooking experience.
Now, it's time to enjoy your meal. There are also a variety of scenes suitable for the dining space. For example, in the sea, macaroon color, or in the desert. The system will also recommend the music suitable for the scene. AR glasses will automatically add special effects to the dining table. You can click the button at the bottom right corner, and drag and drop different kinds of materials to edit your scene. You can take 360-degree panoramas of the edited scenes and post it to the community. You can also view other people's custom scenes. 3D characters can chat with you, and it will recommend videos for you based on AI learning. You can choose to enter the immersion state. vCook will always try to provide you with better cooking and dining experience.